So PlayPosit has come out with a Google Chrome extension that's really pretty cool, and it does allow you to easily add YouTube videos into PlayPosit without having to copy and paste. So you have to go to this web address and just click the Add to Chrome button, which will take you to the Google Chrome store. Click on Add to Chrome just like any other Chrome extension, and then say yes, add the extension. So once it's installed, you'll see it up here, a little icon, but more importantly, when you get to, let's say we go to YouTube, and we find a video that we want to put into PlayPosit, so let's just click on any video right here. Notice that there is a little, let me pause this, there's a little PlayPosit icon at the top here. If I click on it, it pops us into this window here, where you will see the video, and all we have to do is make sure we've clicked on it here, and we can just upload the video and it goes directly to PlayPosit, and we click on the little edit icon and it takes us directly to the bulb that it has created, and then we can just start adding our questions just like we would normally, and we skip the step of having to copy and paste and switch between windows. So it's a really nice saves a couple steps, and it kind of streamlines the bulb creation process.